Hello, so we are here in Schweigenerhof.
Schweigenrechten.
Schweigenrechtenbach. Herzlich willkommen in Schweigenrechtenbach. Here you can see a very wide and a very big place for grapes. Here a nice view of the trees, and here is a big restaurant where you can eat, and that is Mr. Wenzel. Here is a nice place for to walk behind the sun. It is shine well. Oh yes, and the wine door is over there. Wine tour. That's a nice. Yeah, it's cold today, but we have a good sunshine. So it's full. It's full of cars. It's full of people. It's a nice place. It's the autumn herbs. Yeah. Yeah, so I have my new. Yeah, I'd like sun. I like sun. Hello. Yeah, here is the
Weintor. Deutsches
wine
Weintor.
tour.
Schweigenrechtenbach.
Schweigenrechtgenbach. Wine for the wine here. A lot of wine.
Here, the wine.
Yeah, these grapes they
Yeah, the
produce
grapes.
wine.
Finish
So this
one.
is the wine tour. Wine door. When you come in here, you can have wine.
Yes, they have stand.
So here, Deutsches wine tour. So yes, here, wine tour. Oh, so look here, the big farm of grapes that they produce the wine. So all this big farm you can see there, all the grapes. But now is not the season for the grapes. They all sleeping. No, they all fall, and the next year they come again. You can walk over there. It's a nice place here. So here is the tour, wine tour. We come from here and we can come out from this way also. Oh, here, the basket. So when you buy, you can just put there your payment. Hokkaido per stock is €3. Here is the outside view, and there is also a restaurant. Yeah, it's a restaurant in the. Yeah, so there is also here we can see all the good trees. They changing the colors. And so wow, this car is super car. Huh?
See?
There you can see the monkey hanging and the birds. So we can say we are going to another place. Oh, so this is the Kirby's.
Huh?
Look, the
You can buy
Kirby's.
there.
You can buy this also for
Here you can buy wine.
yeah,
You like?
here you can buy a wine, red wine.
Oh. Darum, wir können es ruhig mal.
So this is the real farm.
You must give not to me, you must give it her.
Nimm sie gerade ins Rück, ja?
Jo. Which bag you want?
Any,
Gerne, gerne.
any.
Sehen wir noch so viel Luft da oben, ja?
Boah, da könnten wir kaum einen Parkplatz sehen, das ist ja nicht.
Aber ich gerade gibt was zu schenken.
Ja, aber ehrlich, die hocken alle in der, die Gärten sind voll leer, ne? Also wirklich schwur hier.
Ja, und wissen Sie was? Und heute, ich habe gerade mit meiner Cousine telefoniert. Heute habe ich.
Oh,
Ich habe lauter Bio.
Schatz.
yeah, she have bio.
Hier.
Oh, sie tut das fotografieren.
Ja, sie ist Asiat.
Soon, this is Castania.
Gebe die, den 5-Euro-Schein gebe ich ihr bitte zurück. Sie fotografiert alles, aber nicht mich, gell?
Nee,
Not with her, not with her.
So, Sie wollen sich gerade neben Sie stellen?
Ah, okay. Ja,
Okay.
Ich bin
Komm.
alle Hochzeiten, unbedingt wollen, alle Hochzeiten. Dann
Ja.
machen wir das so. Geht es so?
Ah jo.